Hey, all Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. I am leaving Harris Beach State Park. What a great stay. Beautiful place. But look at the fog. But it's early morning. But time to leave. Time to head up the road. I'm going to double back to town. About a mile or so, there's a big Fred Meyer's grocery store, get some fuel and some food. Then we're gonna head north, go up a little ways. The stretch of road's actually called Samuel Boardman Scenic something Trail. Something like that. Anyway, hopefully we can find some decent places to pull off and get some views. Yay, Fred Meyer. They got fuel, $3.34 a gallon. Thank goodness. I never dreamed I'd be happy to pay $3.34 for fuel. Alright. Hey, they pump it too. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, so long, Brookings, Oregon. What a pretty place. I mean, you gotta deal with the fog, but boy, you're right here on the ocean. Pretty. Okay, there's a sign up back there. It said Lone Ranch Viewpoint. I know it's foggy. Let's go check the ocean. Okay, here we are, Lone Ranch. This is a day use area, I guess. Couple people waiting to surf, it looks like. Hey, ocean, zen time. You know, you guys are really getting spoiled with all this stuff. Alright, let me hike down to the ocean. I know the glare on the camera's not picking it up. I can see blue sky directly above me. This fog is really a low lying or whatever. So I bet we'll get out of it. Alright. Hike down here. Get a little ocean noise going. The only way to start your morning. Looks like low tide. Water's down. You can see it on the rocks how far it comes up. Alright, enjoy. Okay, I'm out of here. It's chilly. We're gonna go up the road and find some blue sky. See what we can get into. Okay, 101 north. The goal today, I'm gonna go up to a state park called Humbug. That's the goal to get to today, but let's see what we can find along the way here. At only a couple miles, we got blue sky. Look, check it out. I knew we'd get above it. What a pretty area. Okay. I've seen this on Google Maps, but it's under construction. I'm going to pull in this pull-off here to the left, and I'm actually going to fly the drone. This is called Thomas Creek Bridge. It's got a ton of history. It's the highest bridge in Oregon. So let me get the drone out. Okay, up we go. I'd scouted around. There's no viewpoint unless you brought climbing ropes. But check out this. Look at the ocean. Look how pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now you could make a postcard picture out of that one, huh? Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm flying right around 175 feet and the winds are really kicking up. There's the bridge. That's the Thomas Creek Bridge, 300 and some feet tall, tallest one in Oregon. Span bridge. Okay, one more look. I'm going to land. The winds are really cranking up here. I'm getting warnings on the controller about high winds. There's one more look at the bridge. I only got one lane open on it. We're going to cross it here in a minute. Okay, let me get landed. We'll get back on the road. Too cool for school. You can't see it, but guess who had a drone? Yay. The traffic light set up here. They've been working on this, I guess, for a long time. I have no clue what they're doing, probably seismic or whatever. Hey, if you're scared of heights, don't look down. We are going to be 340 some feet above that gorge. How'd you like to have a job working on this thing, huh? My goodness. Hanging over the edge. No thanks. Huh, wonder what they're doing. Must be reinforcing something. Well, cool. We made it. That was the Thomas Creek Bridge, Oregon. Historic. Tallest one around. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Well, that fog's up there, but we're above it. Okay, on Google Maps it shows Arches Rock. Arch Rock, something like that. We'll go find it. Okay, I drove past a few other lookouts. But on Google Maps, this thing has a high rating. Should be right. Here it is. Right here. Arch Rock. Picnic area. Cool. Look at the blue sky. Yay. It's kind of a big deal, and it's fairly early in the morning. No fog. Better video. Yay. Alright, let me get parked. We'll see what this one looks like. Oh boy. Check it out. Oh yeah. View time. I'll be back. Oh, look at this. Oregon has it made. My goodness, I want to move here. Look at that. Look at all the rock formations in the water. This whole coastal drive area is so well laid out. What's this say here? Seabird Refuge. You see a bunch of those signs around. the path. It's all fenced. Picnic tables, look at this. Wow. Long ways from the desert here. There's another picnic table. And here must be the viewpoint. Okay. You don't need a drone here. Look at that. Goodness gravy. Bet you can whale watch here. I bet you can see whales. I think I brought a set of binoculars in the van. There's a good look how the coast looks. So we're a good 200-300 feet up off the ocean. Nice. Okay, over this way is the arch rock. Check out the flower. Look how pretty. Look at that. That's a happy camper right there. Got an ocean view too. Everything's green here. Okay, arch rivals on the rock. Birds fight over it. Yep, there it is. See the arch in it? Look at the water go through it. Let me zoom in. See the water going through the arch? That is too cool. Birds out there sitting on the rock. Watching me watch them. There's another human. So look at the bench. You can sit here and just chill out with that view all day long if you wanted, probably. Oh, look at that rock. Cool. Look how the trees grow on top of them too. That's a look at the arch rock. Very pretty. If you're driving this road, definitely stop here. That parking lot was easy, big enough to park a big rig. Alright, I'm gonna head to the van. Let's launch a drone, see what kind of view we get. How pretty. Arch Rock picnic area. We go. Wow, look at that. Look at the waves coming in on the beach. Flying about 210 feet. Beautiful. That cliff is straight down too. Don't see any big old ships out there. Just rocks. They probably don't want to come in here. Look at all the rocks. There's a look up the coast. That's straight up the Oregon coast right there. How pretty. Alrighty, next stop is at Humbug State Park. That's where we're going to camp tonight. It's not very far up the road. The RV There Yet tour continues on RVerTV. Thanks for watching. There's a section of road in February that was completely washed out. It shut down the 101 for about a week and a half. They reopened it. But this was totally washed out. They have it temporarily open. I was told you couldn't even do it. Someone said it was like 2 years, not more like 2 weeks. Anyway, you can get through here fine. They're going to work on it. I guess the ground is still moving. So they're having a tough time doing a permanent repair, but it's definitely open. This is 101. This is going up towards Port Orford. Down in the description, there are links to help support the channel. Buy me a cup of coffee, shop on Amazon, even get a t-shirt. All that really helps the channel. Thank you so much for everyone that has already. Okay, this is Russ signing off now. Take care, all.